This is Dee Weeder. What many people don't know about her is that she's battling with COPD, a chronic lung disease. Although she struggles with multiple illnesses, she continues to share her gift of music.
We do a lot of giving back, like we just did the Cancer Kids show, and we donate our time to church to play music there, and a lot of it is about giving back.
A Lung Association survey reveals that half of all COPD patients say their condition limits their ability to work. It also limits them in normal physical exertion, household chores, social activity, sleeping, and family activities.
I've been discouraged at times, but maybe for a couple hours, and I just know that God's going to take care of me and that my husband's going to take care of me.
There are many things that Weeder's medical condition prevent her from doing, but singing is not one of them. She still gets the opportunity to do what she loves with who she loves.
She's the best vocalist I ever played for, and I played for many, many vocalists over the years.
It seems like whenever I have to sing, God puts some breath in me.
Despite living with COPD, Weeder inspires people through her singing and has been an inspiration for people with COPD. I'm Wilson Liska for TV News.